In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create headers and footers using Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design a custom header in Elementor, and you can follow the same process to build a matching footer. Let's start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Elementor option. Hover your mouse over it so the submenu appears, then click on Editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you'll manage all your Elementor designs. On the Elementor dashboard, again look to the left-hand panel and find the option called Theme Builder. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to Elementor's Theme Builder page, which is where you can create site-wide elements like headers, footers, single post templates, and more. On this Theme Builder page, you'll see different tabs, including one for header and another for footer. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a header. But keep in mind that the process for a footer is almost identical, so you can easily repeat these steps later. Click on the Header tab, and then look to the top right corner for a button that says Add New. Click the Add New button to start creating a new header template. Elementor will now load the editor, so give it a few moments. When the editor opens, you'll immediately see a pop-up window showing a collection of pre-designed blocks. These are ready-made header layouts you can use as a starting point instead of building from scratch, which is really handy if you want to save time or need some design inspiration. Browse through these header blocks until you find a layout that fits the style you're going for. When you find one you like, hover over it and click Insert. After you click Insert, another pop-up will appear asking if you want to apply the settings for that block. This usually includes things like global colors and fonts. You can decide whether to apply or not based on whether you want to use the block's styling or keep your existing site styles. Once you've confirmed, the chosen header block will appear in the main editing area. Now you can customize it. Click on any widget in the header, such as the logo, navigation menu, or button. When you select a widget, its editing options will appear in the left panel. Here you can change text, links, colors, typography, spacing, and more, until your header looks exactly how you want. Take your time making adjustments, and when you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Update or Publish button. This will save your new header and apply it to your site based on the display conditions you choose. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom header in Elementor, and you can follow the same steps to build a footer with a consistent look and feel.